gandang pulbos and lip tint tutorial. Actually, I've wanted to do this tutorial for a long time, pero I don't know if ano yung rules dyan, like no makeup ba dapat and just lip tint or may konting BB cream. So plan ko parang small coverage. May small coverage ba na term? Yung may konting coverage lang na BB cream. Ito yung Pond's Flawless White BB. So ito, I've used this before. Nice naman siya. And parang on the go talaga siya, like BB cream. So konti lang. I'm just gonna use my fingers to spread out the product. I'm gonna use this concealer, yung LA Pro Conceal. Ito yung corrector. I'm just gonna use my fingers. So, nagplan ako guys na i-talk, voice over what's happening to me. Sorry ha, kasi super early ngayon, mga 7:30. Hindi naman like super early ngayon, 7:30. But for me, early na yun. And I have to be out somewhere. So, medyo na-hurry ako. And gusto ko talaga matapos to na tutorial because next week, hindi siguro ako maka-film kasi ang daming things to do sa Holy Week. Like, maraming family stuff. So, gusto ko mag-film na lang this weekend. By the way, maraming nag-ask sa comments, like, Tagalog ba or Bisaya? I'm Bisaya. So, siguro, yun, parang i-Taglish ko na lang kasi hindi ako that expert sa Tagalog. So, ayun. So, I apologize if medyo wrong grammar ako sometimes. Breakfast ko to, guys, Energen. Actually, favorite ko yung Nisvita. But, di ba parang na-discontinued na yung Nisvita, no? So, nag-switch lang ako sa... I'm gonna use this from KJM, Cheek and Lip Tint, yung Fused. So yun. This is what I do if I use yung Cheek. Ito. Oh, grabe. Iisama ko din yung nose. So that parang, ano ba yun? I don't know, I really like the look yung kasama yung nose. Grabe ang so, i-blend ko na lang fingers ko na maayos. Kasi for some reason, mag-stock up talaga yung spots. Wait, guys, okay na ba to? Oh, may konti dito. Nag-stock up talaga siya. But, gusto ko ito na look because it's very natural. Okay, cheeks done. So, next we are gonna go sa lips. I'm gonna use this KJM Cheek Lip and Bewitched. So, kumusta na lang to, mag-drink ako ng energy well. Okay lang, i-retouch ko after. So, yeah. Yung problem ko lang dito, sometimes mag-stock up yung roll. So, i-always continue to then. Basta, I don't know, ito lang yung mag-stock up. Pero, and funny, kasi ito pa yung favorite na color ko. Sa lahat, then ito pa yung mag-stock up yung rollerball. Para lang ko nagkain ng simple lang ang look for today. Nag-decide ako to use my brow powder from NYX. So, ito na parang almost naubos na siya. Kasi on the go eyebrows ko to. Hindi naman everyday kasi ako mag-brow pomade. Kasi especially, ako na medyo queen of late. So, hindi pa ako nakatrim ng brow hairs ko. Like, ang bushy na ngayon. Kasi hindi ko pa na-pluck to. Kasi wala ako sa mood lately. Kasi galing ako na sakit last week. And medyo recovering pa ako ngayon. And then, hindi ako naka-film at all. So, nag-watch lang ako ng videos and nag-comment ng yung mga na-subscribe ko. Shoutout pala sa yun. Mag-shoutout video ako soon. May nag-shoutout na sa akin. Thank you so much. Sorry, Hive. As in, yung energy ko ngayon, na-feel ko talaga na low. But I'm happy. Okay lang. I'm recovering. But I'm happy. Gustuhan ko naman mag-make ng video, guys. For me, this is very relaxing. So, mag-nose contour ako. Yes, my nose contour talaga. I don't know why. Kasi I can't really... If mag-tutorial ako, I don't feel like it's complete without a nose contour. Kasi gustuhan ko talaga if may contour. So, yung... Ano ba yung tawag dito? Yung pulbos and lip tint natin with nose contour talaga to. Anyway, nag-use ako ng NYX powder blush in taupe. So, ito, I don't really use this that much, but ito yung unang nakuha ko dito. So, Vanity ko dito to make your looks fuller, and then may cleft chin effect. Ako actually gusto ko yung cleft chin. I don't know why girls don't really like it. Pero type ko yung mga cleft chin. Eyeliner tayo. Just in the waterline, guys. Para waterline. Hindi na tight line lang. So that pero para natural lang. Hindi natin i-wing. Okay. It's done. Then, curl my lashes. So, I'm gonna use this Lash Sensational. So, hindi ko na-use yung Heroin Make ko kasi malapit na siya maubos. So, I'm trying to save it for mga special occasions. So, ang kulang na lang, guys, is the pulbo. What do you call it, pulbo? Pulbos? Pulbo is the Tagalog term, or kasi sa Visaya, pulbos. Yes. Airspun loose face powder. Just a little bit, just to minimize the oil in the face. Kasi oily na mukha ko. Ang oily na mukha ko, best. So, i-retouch ko lang yung lip tint ko, and we're done. This is the completed look. Magandang pulbo and lip tint. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry sa low energy ko, but nag-enjoy naman ako. And, yeah. So, thank you for watching. And comment down below if ano yung videos na gusto nyong panoorin sa channel na to. And, or just comment anything in general. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you comment, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.